This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a Whirlpool dryer that won't start, so we're going to put a new door switch on. So we unplugged it. This is the electric version, so it uses a 220. We took out the filter. We're going to remove 2 Phillips head screws from the top that sit underneath the filter housing. Sometimes another symptom might be that when you open the dryer door, the dryer just keeps going. That also means you need a new door switch. So I'm going to pull back on the top of the dryer toward me, and then I can lift it up out of the way. There's 2 little clips you can also push in with a paint scraper. I've gotten into the habit of just pulling it toward me to release the clips. And then I'm going to use a standard head screwdriver to separate the modular connector that brings the power to and from the door switch. And then I'll just use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 Phillips head screws. Pretty simple. It should only take you a couple of minutes. This switch did not click. It was just kind of limp as you would move it. So we know that that was the culprit. If your dryer won't start, you can push in on that switch, and if you don't hear a click and feel a click, then the switch is bad. So I'm just going to open up the new package, and we'll put in the new modular connector for power, and then we just have to put the 2 Phillips head screws back in, and you're done. So this one, when I push in on this black part of the switch, you can feel a click and also hear a click. That's how you can tell that that's the reason that the dryer wasn't starting. So I'm just positioning it a little bit better so I can get the second screw in. There we go. Then we'll just plug it in and start it up. So that's all it took to fix this no start problem, just putting in a new door switch. I'm just going to tuck this wire assembly out of the way, and we'll close the lid and push down till it clicks into position. We'll put those 2 Phillips head screws back in. Put the filter back in and plug it back in, and then it fired right up. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks again.